Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the Globe APN settings for a fast connection and a stable connection. If you're new on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend and don't forget to drop a like. So we are going to open our settings, and then once we open our settings, look for connections. And then after looking for connections, look for mobile networks. And after mobile networks, access the access point names. Then we're going to start by restoring, restore each and everything to default. And then after, we're going to press the plus button. Now the APN name, we're going to use My Globe Internet. Then check OK. Now the APN itself, you're going to use internet.globe.com.ph. Then after, you're going to go to proxy. Don't set it. The port. Don't set username. Don't set the password. Don't set. Now the server, you're going to use www.google.com. The MNSC don't set. The MMS proxy don't set. MMS port don't set. MCC, you're going to put 515. The MNC U02. Now the APN type, authentication type don't set. Authentication type don't set. APN type, you're going to use default, comma, SUPL, comma, IA. Check OK. APN protocol, IPv4, IPv6, the same as the roaming protocol. Now after doing that, you're going to just save. And then after saving, you'll be able to access a secure internet on your global SIM card. And then that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Maru's Tech, and I sign out.